I'm going to show you how you can improve your blog's title automatically so you can attract more visitors to your website. I've been running multiple blogs for multiple years, and the key thing that I learned is that the title is 80% of the work. You have a great title, you're going to attract more people, but I'm lazy and I don't like thinking about new titles that are more attractive for people to click on. But there are a lot of formulas out there that you can use that makes the title more interesting. I'm using n8n to do this, and what happens is we have a workflow here that takes in your initial title, passes it to AI, and it comes back with an even better title. We control it by using a system called Baserow, or you can use Airtable. Either one works. And by the way, you can download the workflow and this database in the description, so you don't have to set it up yourself. All you need to do is to input some credentials and you're off and running. Anyway, back to the idea. Here, I have a title that I want to improve on. Why I switched from Linktree to self-hosted link stack. I press the button here and it'll send it to my n8n workflow. After it sends it to n8n, it'll give the results and save it back into my Baserow, and let's look at the results. Switch from using Linktree to self-hosted link stack to drive 25% more traffic to your website. Okay, now it's gotten some numbers. Why switch from Linktree to self-hosted link stack? So you can have more control over your brand and data. Okay, that's interesting. Why switch from Linktree to self-hosted link stack and the benefits of owning your own directory? And so there's a lot of different titles that are way more interesting, that targets different types of users, right? So now that you've seen the results, how does the workflow actually work? Well, the webhook basically waits for you to click on the button, and then it takes your original title from Baserow, passes it to AI, and then spits out the result back into Baserow. For Baserow to work, all you need to do is input your credentials. And how do you do that? Well, you go to Docs and just follow the instructions there. If you want to use Airtable, all you need to do is click here and type Airtable and basically copy all this here into your Airtable, add your Airtable instructions, and you can do that too. Okay, after you've set up your Airtable or Baserow, I want to explain what's the prompt we sent to the AI. I'm going to give you a headline and I want you to make it more specific. A good headline must answer 3 questions. What is it about? Why should you read it? Etc. etc. So all of this is included in my workflow. You don't have to do anything, and it'll generate 4 or 5 different titles that are better than your original one. And then it'll save it back into Baserow. And that's all there is to it. So 2 things. Number 1, you can download the workflow and the database in the description below. And you can also join a community if you encounter any problems. Me or someone in the community can answer your questions. And finally, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hope you find a lot of benefit in this.